So, you replace the hissing valve cover on your 1.4-liter Chevy Cruze. The noise is gone. But the engine is still stumbling at idle, and that PRO 171 lean code just won't clear. You fixed the symptom, but not the cause. Yes, changing that valve cover was the right first move. The diaphragm inside it was torn, and that was your vacuum leak. But it tore for a reason. And until you fix that, the problem will come right back. Your engine has a PCV system designed to handle two different situations, vacuum and boost. At idle or cruising, the engine has vacuum, and it uses that vacuum to pull fumes out of the crankcase through the valve cover. This is normal, but when the turbo spools up, it creates positive pressure, boost. That boost is not supposed to get into your crankcase. There's a small check valve inside the intake manifold that acts as a one-way door, slamming shut to block that boost pressure. The problem is, this little valve is made of plastic. Over years of heat and oil exposure, it gets brittle, breaks apart, and the pieces get sucked into the engine. Now, that one-way door is gone. Every time you accelerate, boost pressure floods your crankcase. That pressure had to go somewhere, so it found the weakest link, the thin rubber diaphragm in your original valve cover. It blew it out, which caused the hissing and the code. Your new valve cover is now holding back that pressure, but it wasn't designed for that. It's a ticking clock. Until it fails, too. The rough idle you're feeling is the engine's computer trying to adjust to these wild pressure swings it was never meant to see. To fix this permanently, you need to check that manifold. First, find the PCV hose. It's a thick rubber tube on the driver's side of the engine, running from the valve cover to a port on the side of the black plastic intake manifold. Squeeze the plastic connector clip and carefully pull the hose off the manifold port. Next, take a small flashlight and look straight into that port. You are looking for something very specific. A small orange or reddish plastic nipple with a little cross shape in the center. If you see that orange nipple, your check valve is still there. If all you see is a dark, empty hole, the valve is gone. This is the root of your problem. You have two ways to fix this. The factory repair is to replace the entire intake manifold. This is the most complete solution, but it costs more in parts and labor. A more common and permanent fix is to install an aftermarket PCV valve kit. This kit comes with a new hose that has a stronger external check valve built into it. It installs in the same place as the old hose and does the exact same job as the original valve, but it's more durable because it's not inside the hot manifold. If you skip this check and just hope for the best, that brand new valve cover you just installed will fail. The hiss will come back, the rough idle will get worse, and you'll be doing the same job all over again in a few months. So before you start the car again, check that manifold port. It's a 5-minute check that saves you from a repeat repair.